Okay, so we are recording now. So this is the trading plan that we will be executing in this simulation. If you guys want to have a copy of this, you can join our VRT Telegram channel, and you will find a copy pinned in the first message. So let's go to the simulator. We will go with gold. Date will be the most recent that we can do. New York close, leverage 100, spread is fixed, 2 pips, and commission is $7 per lot. And we are starting now. Select chart, standard 15, and let's go. Let's remove these to get more room. Template, there goes risk percentage and this and session. Let's cross check the sessions, and where are we at? We need to go here and here. $30 or London Open is at this candle. Let's see if the simulator timing is matching with this. Support and third candle. Support this. What is this? 15. We need to go 30. Where is this green candle? Start of this green candle. So this green candle is about to start. Yes. And the time is exact, so we don't need this now. Let's just remove this and let's go move on to the Monday next week. In the last simulation we ended the simulation at 15th May. Now we are starting here. This is our London Open. 1 hour before that is our pre-London, and 1 hour before that is our 4-hour candle close. So we will come to the charts at 7. Yes, 1 hour before that candle close. So $30 we are here, and let's see where are we. What is this? Did we make this? When did that happen? I don't think so, but we will keep on. Let's go to the 4-hour. First of all, calendar. There is nothing on the calendar. High volatility, nothing. 18th ends here. USD, no high impact news. Turn off the calendar. 4-hour, we have nothing of support here, and resistance is not confirmed. In those wicks there could be a resistance. Let's go down to the lower time frame to check that support is valid. here comes our resistance. Going down to the 30-minute, we have this resistance, and this support was all the way down there, and we don't have anything now. On the 15-minute, there is another story. We have a support here. Okay, so where is price trying to go? We don't know. We need a confirmation below this to push down, to push up. There is not enough clean range. You see resistance, 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 and there as well. So let's see if we get any confirmations. Okay, 15-minute, we cannot buy, we cannot sell. Maybe sells at the break of this, but yeah, let's see how that goes. 1 hour, how is the 1 hour? Not looking good. 30-minute, nothing. 15-minute, nothing. Broke the high, but we are not interested. A good opportunity will be for sells. Speed it up. 7 minutes have passed. If it flips, we can look for sells, I think. We have (15-minute) just closed. Weak bullish candle, nothing. We are not buying, not selling. Let's see how the next candle proceeds. We are faced with a question: should we sell, should we not? Yes, I think broke the high, now it's trying to break its own low. Maybe we should sell with 1%. So our daily max risk is 2%, as mentioned in the trading game plan. Risk is 2%. With risk manage opportunities. If we can manage risk, we will use 2%. If we don't have any confirmation, if volume time is not there, or if the risk management opportunity is not there, then we will use 1% risk. And the day we are trading is Monday, so we will only take one trade with 1% risk, because otherwise these days have higher probability of making us overtrade and revenge trade, because on Monday you don't want to start your week with a loss, and on Friday you don't want to end with that. So in order to change the fact that you lost a trade on Monday or Friday, you want to take another trade and another and another, and keep on going till there is loss that you cannot recover, even if you over risk. So I think we should skip it. No, 1%, what would be? Yes, there is a risk management opportunity here. Yes, if it flips bullish, the 15-minute candle, then we can close 15% risk, 50%, half of it. So our stop loss is above the current candle high. What is this? 63 pips, 62 for the spread, and 1 pip breathing room, and we have a nice sell. If it flips bullish, we are going to close 50%. Our risk is 64 pips. Let's open the trade panel, tick these boxes, and we want 64 pips, nothing more, nothing less. $30 pips, 37 pips. Now we should slow down it a bit, and if it goes back to the break even point, we will close 50% as the trading plan dictates. Risk management, how are we going to manage risk? Close 50% as price retraces to the entry point after going halfway to our TP. Our TP is at 60 pips. It has gone to 30 pips. Currently it is in our favor, 40 pips. So if it tries to go back to our entry point, we will close some partials because we don't want our full risk to get into drawdown after going in profits. Oh. We should just push down 50, 40. Oh, we hit 60. Let's go 60. Let's go. Oh. Okay, we will close partials. What are your guesses? How much should we close? I have one participant here. I think this guy is Russian and I don't know how to pronounce your name, but I think we should close 90. Close 90% with stop loss at break even and let it hit our TP. Maybe we should just modify our TP to fill this wick. Yes, we will not move it a lot, just enough to get 100 pips and $10. Oh, we are going to make $10 if it hits our TP. 15-minute, and yes, we should just close it now because this TP line, the blue line, is just a random line on a chart that is showing the price action, or you can say the price movement of a market that is millions of times bigger than ourselves. So we just have, what is this, $100 on the line. We had only $100 on the line, so price doesn't give two shits about the random line that we have drawn on the chart. So it doesn't have to tick here, and in this case this is a sell, so price would have to touch this and also go 2 pips below this, so this spread activates our TP order. So price doesn't have to do anything, so we should just close here because the main idea was valid. It moved in our direction, so I think you guys get the point that price doesn't have to do anything, that it should hit this exact line or this exact big fill should be completed. So we should just secure our partials or profits whenever we can, and we are done for the day. We were trading Monday. We executed the risk according to plan, 1% risk, one trade for Monday, and that was a win. Now we should move on. So as you guys can notice, I didn't trade London Open and not even pre-London. I traded before that, but the idea behind this thing is that there is 4-hour candle closing at 8 o'clock. You guys can find the timings according to your time zone, your country, on babypips.com. You guys can go there, and my browser is not open, my PC is slow, so it will take some time. I don't wanna waste time, so you guys can go on Baby Pips, and there you will find a clock tool, something like that, sessions tool. So you guys can put your time zone there and move the clock. You will see the times there, when is London Open on according to your time, when is pre-London according to your time, and so on. So this 4-hour candle close before London Open and pre-London Open, the idea is that the any candle that we have is going to give us a volume push whenever it opens and whenever it is going to close. So at this crucial time the 4-hour candle is closing, so the current 4-hour candle close at closing time, it can give us a nice push of volume in either direction. We would have to get our direction clear, and the next 4-hour candle that is going to be at 8 is also can also give us a clean move in can also give us a clean move when it is starting. So there can be a volume push when the candle starts. When I don't recommend this that you guys go to the 1 minute or 5 minute, but if you guys go there you can see how the market behaves. So maybe go to the 5 minute and watch for, I don't know, maybe 30 to 50 30 minutes, even 10 minutes, man. 2 5 minute candles you watch on either London Open or pre-London time. You will see that whenever the 5 minute candle is opening, it will give a nice push, and whenever the last minute is going on, when it is about to close, there will be a nice retracement of that candle, or maybe a push even down or in the direction. So the main idea is that whenever the candle opens there is a volume push, and whenever the candle is about to close there is some type of volume push. So at that idea I trade this 4-hour candle before London and pre-London Open. So if that doesn't work out, there is no, you know, if there is no volume there, no session, no direction that I can find, I move on to 9, that is pre-London. If the setup doesn't appear here, I move on to the pre-London and ongoing. So if I don't find a setup here, I move here, pre-New York, New York Open, or maybe New York Stock Exchange Open, NYSE Open. So whatever gives me a nice setup to trade. So we are done with Monday. Let's move on to Tuesday. Oh, just ranging. There is not even a news. 15th of May. Price is still maybe there. Nothing. Good thing we just traded in the early morning. So at 7, 1 hour before the 4-hour candle closes, we are again at that thing. Let's remove, maybe not remove, we have something. भाई हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करो भाई यार. अभी तो मेरी बैटरी भी ख़त्म हो जाएगी और दोबारा से रिपीट करने में थोड़ा टाइम भी लग जाएगा. ये 4 आवर वाला मैं जो है ना कोशिश करूँगा कि कॉल आ रही है अभी. 4 आवर वाली जो बात है ये मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि किसी तरह रिकॉर्ड करके ना तो वो ग्रुप में डाल दूँ, हिंदी में ही, हिंदी उर्दू में, वो छोटी सी वीडियो बना के तो वो डाल दूँगा उधर ग्रुप में, आप कभी भी देख सकें. फिर अभी फ़िलहाल हम जाते हैं इसी चीज़ में. लेट्स गो टू द 4 आवर कैंडल. ओह नाइस रिजेक्शन एंड wake up, break the previous candle flow and fill this wick maybe. Let's go to the 1 hour, 4 hour. We have a nice resistance and support maybe in these wicks as the last time, but going down to the 1 hour we have this resistance and this support. On to the 30 minute, Nice rejection, resistance, support valid here as well. On the 15 minute, these can be refined, but price is moving down. We have clean range till the support, price rejected. Now the 15 minute closed, and on the 30 minute we have a rejection. Maybe give me a minute. So we are back, and we had a 30 minute rejection. So let's see if the price wakes up, breaks the previous low, we are going to take the sell. Let's see if we have an opportunity. On the 15 minute, it is trying to push down. We have a clean range, but we need the conditions to be met. Yes, nothing, we are not executing. It is breaking the previous low in the first 2 minutes. 3 minutes, 4. So there could be a question that it broke its high after breaking the low. So why didn't we follow the last example and execute a buy? The simple answer would be that it is a downtrend. We are only looking for confirmations to sell. Okay, it is now breaking its own low. So broke its own low 10 minutes into the candle, and maybe it should push down now, but at this point the stop loss would be too big and we don't have any opportunity to manage risk. And even if we treat this candle open as a zone or a range, so price is currently here, and that is 36 pips away from that open price. I don't think we should execute at this point. This same scenario, if it happened here or here, we would have executed, but not now. 15 minutes is about to close. Let's watch there, and it just closed. Okay, a sell here would have been nice. 30 to 35 pips, clean range till 104 pips. Yeah, but nothing. On the 15 minute, broke its low, made its upper wick, and now it is trying to come down. Maybe we should execute a sell, but there is very less clean range, maybe 40. And what is this? 36. Barely a 1-to-1 risk to reward. And then we have support, and then a support, then these wicks, and then clean range. Yeah, not really interested. Maybe 15 minutes there could be let's execute. We have an opportunity to manage risk. Let's go with 1% because we are executing on 15 minutes. If it was a good setup near London or near this 4-hour candle close or open, then we would have used 1%, but at this point we are using 1%. What is this? 38, 40 and 41. It is 42 maybe. Ooh, let's make it 40. Okay, and then we have this 33 pips. The fuck is this? It doesn't make any sense. Yeah, man. 43. Okay, let's just go. Let's see how that goes. Okay, close 50, brother. There is no point. Oh, we have a stop loss. It is what it is. Went up, now it is again trying to go down, but should not have executed because there is not enough clean range. That entry would have been perfect. 30 minute just closed. Let's see what's on the 30 minute. We don't have anything interesting. Yes, nothing. Breaking the lows in first 1 2 3 4. Oh. At this point, if it reverses and breaks its own low, because the previous low is broken already, so if it breaks its own low, then we can look for a sell, because we are approaching the 4-hour candle close. So let's see. The 15-minute is about to close. Oh, last minute. Nothing. Small bodies. Break the previous candle's low and we can push down. For pushing up, we need a confirmation of candle closure. Not buying at this point. The 4-hour is about to close, and yes, we have the 4-hour just closed and the new 4-hour opened. 4-hour had a rejection, then a nice strong body close. Maybe we should be looking for sells. Yes, had an opportunity, but we were not at the charts at that time, and after that when we executed we had a loss. 30 minute, we have nothing. We are looking for sells, but maybe buys, but nothing is clear at this point. We have a 30-minute candle closing bullish. That is our support at this point. If it wicks down and takes some time to break, oh, okay, we are near this support. The 4-hour could be making its upper wick to go down, and let's just execute. How many pips far away are we? 10 pips. Oh fuck, man, by 1%, and we are out of risk for today. 32 pips. Let's see how that goes. We are 10 pips away from the optimal entry. We cannot close 50% because we are already down. What is this? 75 pips. Yes, What are we going to cruise 50% for? $5 have passed. Oh, I think it's a SL. Yes. Look, it's on low, then break, it's on high, and it is just going to push up now. Till here, maybe 45. Yes. So the idea was valid, but the entry was not, and the timing was not perfect. 15 minutes just closed, wick down, and break its on high. But what are we doing here at this point? We should be off because we lost 2% in this day. 1% here, 1% there. Moving on to Wednesday. Yes. Oh. What are these wicks, man? Yes. Moving on to the next day. Wednesday is 7 o'clock. That is our time to trade. We are here. Let's go to the 4 hour. What do we have? We have support nowhere, resistance right around here. 1 hour, same thing. 30-minute, we have a support. Nice clean range to the upside, double clean range, maybe this clean wick and then this range. On the 15-minute, what do we have? We have a nice rejection or weak point here, resistance, price good, wick down and push up, because at this point we have a support. But the best thing would be that this is a downtrend, low made, pullback, confirmation, and then push down. Well, let's see what do we have. First 30 seconds it breaks the previous high. We are not interested. It could happen like the last time we had a loss on Tuesday, but now Wednesday is here. Let's see what do we get. We will try to get a nice confirmation and execute with 2% because we are not on Monday or Friday. Wednesday and Thursday we will go with 2% risk with a nice 1-to-1 risk to reward. 15-minute is about to close. 12, 13, 14 and 15 is about to close. Alright, we have a 15-minute close and it is a strong candle close. Let's see how the next candle goes. Wick down, breaking the previous candle's high in the first 1.5 minute. Not interested. Oh, maybe we are interested. Yes. Let's go 1%. Yes, because what is this? 24, 25. Let's go 25. And what do we have here? 48. No, let's go 45. I think we should go with 2% because there is clean range. Let's go another buy 1%. Down here, TP there, 2% risk. Let's see if we get stopped out or not. Oh, whoa. Nothing. Currently we have nothing. Oh, 2% loss, just done for the day. Should have waited for this move down, but got lost in the fact that we have double clean range and that setup just plays out very well. previously, but that is it. 30 minutes is about to close. Okay, we have a rejection and it could just push down. On the 15 minutes we have a confirmation, and man, we cannot execute at this point. Let's just anticipate this one. Not selling, not selling. Okay, 4 minutes. We are confident in this sell. We are in this. What is this? 43 pips. Easy. 60 pips. Easy. Retracement we have, but it should work out. It should just. Oh, nice sudden movements. Is there any news event today? 20th. GBP, nothing for USD. 15 minutes just closed and it is weak, but let's stick with this. Yes, should have waited. See, move down. Where is my marker? Do we have? Yes. Move down, made this low. This 30-minute candle acted as a support, retracement. Then we had a weak candle, then broke that weak candle slow to push down till this wick, and we have a nice clean move. We have a okay, Prane is here. How do I? Yes, man, sometimes it is hard to follow your own rules. That's what it is. But we will not over trade. Let's move on to Thursday. Moving on to the Thursday. Let's go to 7 o'clock in the morning, and we are on the charts here. Oh, missed this entry, but we would not have entered because there is no clean range here. I think we don't have to go to the 4 hour. We have a nice rejection here and a nice clean range till infinity. 1 hour, just looking. We need a candle closure down here, or maybe price can just wake up. The next 1 hour candle can wake up, go down. What do we have here? I don't know how to use this Microsoft Teams, but we will try to go. 30 minute. Yes, 30 minute is, let's see if we get an entry. 1 hour we have a confirmation that it could just go down. Create a meeting link, create and copy link. Link is copied. Let's join this and send this here. Okay, where were we were here. So playing off of the 1 hour, it should wake up and break the previous candle slow to keep on moving. Wake up, break the previous candle slow and go down. Oh, too deep of a wick right there. We need a 15-minute candle close now as a exhaustion candle to give us an impulse entry sell. Oh, broke the previous high. That is an interesting thing. 15 minutes just closed, a strong bullish candle, but we are looking for sells. Let's see. Okay, it is trying to push up. Just trying to push up. It is what it is. The overall scenario is down, but it is trying to push up. 30 minutes just closed. We have nice move up. 30-minute strong bullish candle. If it breaks down and breaks its high, then we should clean range. But let's see. At this point, it is not clear if we are going to move up or down. Oh, 7 minutes have passed. Too much volume and tick data in this candle. Oh, 15-minute closed. Yeah, 15-minute closed. I don't know how. If it breaks the previous candle's high, we are in a buy with 2% risk. Oh, 1 hour is closing. Yes, we are trying to push up. Yes, the 4 hour just closed and the new 4 hour candle opened. We are going to be in this buy. We can take a buy here, but we will go off with the 30-minute. Yes, let's slow down a bit, zoom in and see. 2 minutes, 3, 15 minutes it is. What it's trying to do, it should push up according to the price action. 7, breaking the lows here. Ooh, okay, it doesn't make any sense. Yes, should we be selling here? No, candle close. We will sell if we have a nice candle close. Oh man, missed it. Let's see how this closes. 15-minute closed. Okay man, fuck this. Not entering. Need to see a wake up. And then there is support here. Yeah, not interested. On the 1 hour, it is trying to push down. Not interested currently. We need to get a candle close. Okay, we will have a 30-minute candle close below this, maybe. Let's see. Okay, 30-minute candle closed below this, and now we are looking for a retracement in form of a rejection candle, or maybe the price will wake up, break the previous candle's low and push down. Let's see what kind of scenario is presenting here. Okay, we have nice clean range. Let's go 2% risk of this day. What would that be? In this first minute, let's just go with 1% risk. Yes, what do we have? 33, let's go 35 and 6. Nice clean range, 60 pips. Okay, what do we have here? Price is moving too fast, man. It should not have done this. What the fuck is it trying to do? Volatile candles everywhere. Price is not respecting its own laws. $15 is about to close. Let's see how that goes. And 15-minute closure. We have it. We need it to go down. We are about to enter London, pre-London. Yes, 30-minute. Oh, whoa, now it's trying to go down after taking our stop loss. Don't do this. Ooh, it push up now in the last minutes. 1 hour, nothing. 30-minute, okay. 15-minute, okay. It could push up now, but that would be risky, and we only have 1% risk left for the day. Okay, whoa, fuck, man. We have a candle, a fucked up candle here. 15-minute we could buy, but not really. First minute buys don't work out for us. Should have bought because price was at support and then rejected that area, but we are interested in sells. Let's see if we get a candle closure in favor for us. 15-minute is about to close, and it did. The 30-minute story is not playing in my mind. 15-minute would break its low and push down. Let's see. I don't think it will. What is this, man? I don't know how to use this. Share screen. Okay. Ooh. Did we have any news? 21st. Ooh. Too much news, but not high volatility. Medium to low range. Yes. The bias could have worked out, but at this point we have nothing. Let's see how the 30-minute closes. 30-minute closed. Oh, nice. Okay, we have an opportunity to sell now. We are almost approaching London Open. Whoa, slow down, bro. Okay, so we lost 1%. We can go with 2%. Not really, but let's break the rules. Where we at? 2%. Sell. What is this? 68. Let's go 71, and should have till infinity. Let's see how that goes. It should work out. Okay. We are up about 28 pips. We risk 71. There is going to be London Open in the next 15 minutes. The current 15 minutes just closed. There should be a nice push down coming. Break the previous candle slow and just bon voyage. Okay, we are up about 70. What is this? 70, 74. Let's try to ride this move. Yeah, let's see how the London Open goes. We are up about 2%. London Open is about to come. In real market conditions, I will close at the candle close, because the next candle could go I don't know where. "30-minute a strong bearish, 1 hour a nice rejection, could wake up and break the previous candle low to fill this clean range." Yes, let's ride this idea. Easy peasy. Let's go, brother. London Open should give us something. 15 minutes is about to close. Let's see if there is any sign of weakness. We will close. Okay, push down and goes. Okay, should we close something? Yes, I think 90 or 80 maybe. Yes, close partials. 90, 85. Let's go 85. Stop loss is not going to be at break even. It will be, let's modify this so it should not. Man, where is the modification? Yes, break even, and the most recent 15-minute high, that is at 36 pips. Let's go 2 pips minus, 3 pips minus. Yes, and it should just keep on pushing down. If it goes in our favor, we could get almost $72. Let's speed it up. Push down, man, push down. Oh, nice. Okay, we are up about 100 pips, 150. That is it. Oh, whoa, whoa. 30-minute just closed. Yes, at this 30-minute candle close, I would have closed full position, and that is it. Let's see if we get a full retracement, or whoa, 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 man, don't do this. Okay, let's see. So that is it for today. We broke our rule of maximum risk, but the thing is that we only used 2 trades, so this rule is preserved. That says max 2 trades a day. That is it. So let's go to the Friday. Where is Friday? Friday 7 o'clock. 1 trade, 1% risk. Let's get done with it. We are here, 30-minute. If it, there is no if it at this point. Just wick down a little bit and we are in buys. Push up 1% buys, we don't care. Break your own high. Nothing. 15 minutes just closed, and it is giving nice opportunity to buy. It should break its own high, man. Break its own high. Just go up. My battery is about to die. Oh. Should have used stops. Buy. Oh, is it 1% or 2%? Let's make it 1%. Oh man, 1% risk. Buys 30-minute. Let's go. It should not break its own low. 22. Let's go 25, or maybe even let's go till here. It stops there. 64, man. 67. Let's go 24. $15 just closed. 30 minutes just closed. Oh man, it should push up now. No, whoopsie doopsies. Just push up. Give us 24 pips. 24, what do we have? Oh man, fuck you. So that is it, we are in loss for this simulation, and we have a nice confirmation to the downside. Let's trade this. Man, these confirmations are fucked up. Two minutes. Let's see. Sells. What is this? 38. Should push down. Easy. At this point, maybe add another, because we are ending the week. Let's have some fun. Okay, just go man, go. $15 just about to close, and it did. It should just hit TP. Hope to catch the recording. I am currently engaged. Okay, Michael, just pray that my PC don't die. Let's put it on charge. Sorry for the voice. Oh. Just end it, man. End it. Oh man, it broke its own high. 30 minutes, 1 hour, doesn't look good. Let's see. We executed on a confirmation. We should not worry. Okay, there is some signs of weakness. Should have closed. Okay, we are down 4.54. But there are no great opportunities. It is what it is. Nothing could have been done. It is what it was. This week was a bad week, badass week. Here is the graph. You guys can see the stats if you want to. I will scroll down. You guys can stop the video to check out the stats. Closed trades, almost 12 trades. Yes, and it was a loss. Losing week 4.54%, and it is what it is. You have to, handle your losses to get to the great parts of trading. For today, it is just what it is. We are done. You guys can join this channel. We post daily trades that we take, and full breakdowns, full markings, and then explanation of those markings. The links will be in the description. So for today, it is done. Take care. Have a great trading week.